get me down again.
Welcome back to my channel. It's been so long and it's time to get everything back on track. I've got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I pre-ordered this phone and it arrived yesterday. I'm sure you have seen so many videos of this phone. But this is how I want to restart everything on my channel. The price of this phone for different regions will be on your screen. The box is slim, no charger inside. At the bottom you can find some details of this phone. It's a 256 gigs variant with 12 gigs of RAM. This is the Exynos variant and it brings the Galaxy Buds Pro as a freebie, and this one is in the Phantom Silver color. This is the Galaxy Buds Pro redemption card and this is the warranty card of this phone. Let me just pull the phone out of the box. And here's our all new shiny Phantom Silver Galaxy S21 Ultra. Really premium, thick, and it's heavy, but doesn't feel really heavy because of very nice weight distribution. Underneath we have a small sleeve including some paperwork and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and that's about it. Alongside the charger, Samsung has also removed the TPU case. It was so nice of Samsung to add those extra goodies in the boxes of its phones, but thanks to Apple for giving so much of inspiration to everyone in the industry. I'll just set this phone up and get back to you guys. Alright, so the phone in Phantom Silver also has a very nice matte finish. This silver looks as good as the Phantom Black. It looks gorgeous. If you have different light colors around you, this is going to look phenomenal. I mean to say that I have just fallen in love with this color. As you can see, the premiumness is overloaded here. Samsung has definitely done a very nice job with the build and with the color finish of this phone. It's a water and dust resistant phone. The front and back both are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The phone has its volume and the power keys on the right in its aluminium frame. The speaker grill, primary mic, dual SIM card slot is at the bottom, nothing on the left, and the secondary mic on the top. And there is no micro SD card slot in this phone either. So you are either stuck with 256 gigs of internal storage or you go with the top-notch 512 gigs variant. It packs a 5000 mAh battery inside. I am not sure how long that is going to last with that Quad HD plus 120Hz dynamic AMOLED screen. From the left side, the camera is embedded right into the frame of the phone, but the protrusion can be seen and felt from the right side and also from the bottom. The camera rings this time are bigger than the Note 20 Ultra's camera rings. The main camera here is a 108 megapixels shooter. This phone has a 10 megapixels telephoto lens, a 10 megapixels periscope, a 12 megapixels ultra wide, and a 64 megapixels front camera. The 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 120Hz display on this phone is smoother than butter. That combination with Quad HD resolution is something extraordinary. Fingerprint scanner of this phone is pretty fast. One UI 3 looks dope. The phone's display is definitely A-class. I ran some benchmark applications on this phone and I am going to show you the results now, starting with the Antutu benchmark app first of all, the Geekbench, the Androbench for storage, and I tried running the 3D Mark gaming benchmark, but I could run the wildlife test on this only. This phone also supports S Pen. I used the S Pen of my Note 20 Ultra on it and I absolutely love it. I suggest getting an S Pen of the Note 9 or the Note 10 Lite or whatever cheap option you find and use it on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. it's going to work pretty well. The camera app is super powerful. It has every single feature and mode you would want to have in a phone that costs as much as S21 Ultra. It has the 4K 60 frames per second video in the ultra wide mode too, and it goes all the way up to 8K at 24 frames per second. All the cameras are optically stabilized. For now, I will attach some camera samples here only. This phone's full camera review will be out on my channel today or sometime tomorrow. Enjoy the camera samples and drop your feedback in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet. With that said, I will sign off and I'll see you all in the next one.